Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my exciting content. Today I'm going to show you something incredibly useful, and it's how to make your own Procreate tattoo stamps. So let's get started. Before we jump in, let's clarify what Procreate tattoo stamps are. These are pre-made designs that you can insert directly into your artwork, essentially acting as artistic shortcuts. They're incredibly useful when you're creating complex tattoo designs where consistent elements are key. They save you a ton of time, and you can personalize them to your own style, making them ideal for your tattoo design. Alright, let's get started. First we open the Procreate app on our iPad. You should see the gallery view. Now we tap the plus sign at the top right hand corner to open a new canvas. I generally recommend a square canvas for creating stamps, but feel free to choose the size that fits your needs. For today's tutorial I'm going to use the standard square canvas on Procreate's default options. Now we start creating our design. This could be anything that fits your tattoo concept. For example, a lion, a flower, or even a cute kawaii character. You can use any of the Procreate brushes to make your design. Today I'm using the syrup inking brush, and I'm going to design a simple flower. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. You want to tap the wrench icon in the upper left hand corner, select Share, and then PNG, and Save to Files. This will save your design as an image in your gallery. Now we're going to create a new brush. Go to your brush gallery, tap the plus sign to create a new set and give it a suitable name. Next, tap the plus sign again to create a new brush within the set. Choose Shape, then Edit, and then Import. And select from Gallery. And you're going to choose your flower design. Tap the screen with 2 fingers to invert it so that it stamps black on white. Now you can select your stroke path, increase it to 100% or max. You can also change a whole lot of other settings here depending on your needs. You can play around with that and test what you like. I like to change the maximum size, increase that, and slightly increase the minimum size. And once you're happy with your stamp, you can rename it. So I'm calling this flower 1. You can then write the name of the person who created the stamp, and you can even add your signature. To finish off, simply click Done, and there you have your unique creation, your unique tattoo that you've designed. And to use it, simply choose the color that you want and start stamping away. With Procreate tattoo stamps, you can very quickly build various compositions and designs. They can be as intricate or as simple as you desire or as your client desires, and you'll actually be amazed at how quickly you can come up with these compositions and design elements or design ideas when you've got all the right Procreate tools at hand. It really simplifies things and makes the whole process a lot faster and a lot easier. As you can see here, I've got a whole collection of different tattoo stamps that I've created over the past 18 months to 2 years, all for different purposes with different themes, and I guess they don't have to be used only for tattoos. They can be used for a range of other purposes, digitally or to print, but it is useful having these set elements ready and available for when I need them. You can also use body stamps as a base to place your tattoo designs on. It gives you a clearer idea of how your design will look on different parts of the body. I'll put links to my body stamps and my personalized stamps in the description below. Make sure you check them out. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can use tattoo stamps on a body stamp to create an intricate, interesting and personalized design for someone or for yourself. And there you have it. See how these stamps can come together to create a unique and intricate tattoo design in no time. The possibilities are endless when you start to combine different ready-made elements. So go ahead, experiment with different combinations, play around with your own tattoo stamp creations, and unleash your creativity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'm excited to see the amazing Procreate tattoo stamps you're going to come up with. Don't forget to check the description for the links to my body stamps and personalized stamps, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, share it with your fellow tattoo artists and creatives, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials like this one. Until next time, keep creating.